Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a review for my new Jordans I just got. They're the Nike Dunk Low Spruce color and I'm actually obsessed with them. So I got them like 2 days ago. These are them. I wore them one time, so they're like this. When they first came, they came in the Jordan box, so it's like this. Open it up, they were in there, and they had the StockX verification thing on here. It was just like on one of these loops like this, so I cut that off because I wore them, and I actually love them a lot. So my friend always wears Jordans and will tell me about how she gets them and she's like obsessed with them or whatever. But if you guys can see, like, these are a really cool color. I've never seen anybody have these before. They have the little symbol on the back. But I just really liked them because I like low, because the high kind of cuts off my leg weird, like high top shoes, so I'm more comfortable wearing low. And I got these in a size 9 women's, and I usually wear a size 9, and they actually fit well, and I walked like not really far but pretty far, so they didn't hurt my feet, so they're true to size, I think. And these were like $230, I want to say, on StockX, so I would recommend these, and I would rate them literally like a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I want more, and I just got these and I just wore them one time. So overall, I love it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and follow my Instagram. It's linked below. So see you guys back soon. They really look so cute up here, right next to my